Hello, this is Rico with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on all newer Range Rover models. This is a rather weird process which actually works on the newer models as well. So first off, you want to turn the ignition on, but you don't want to start the car. When the ignition is on, you want to open the bonnet or the hood, then you want to open the driver's side door. After that, you press the brake and the accelerator pedal completely and hold. Service resetting should appear in the display after a couple of seconds, and once it disappears, release both pedals. After releasing both pedals, you want to turn the ignition off. Then you want to turn the ignition back on and check that the service message is reset. If not, just repeat this procedure. Good luck, thank you for watching.